Now, in this tutorial, we're going to have an application on how to change the base of a logarithm and evaluate it using a calculator. We're going to use the way that we have learned in the previous tutorial, where we changed the whole base of the logarithm. Remember, when we changed it from base A to base B, we're going to do the same thing in order to change the base to find the value of a certain logarithm. Here it says find to three significant figures the value of log 11 with base 8. Now, at first, it is kind of hard to find the value of this logarithm since you cannot use the calculator since the base is equal to 8. But what if we change the base 8 into base 10 and then we can use the calculator to find the value of this logarithm? And that is of course through using the rule that we have just explained in the previous video. So if we had log 11 base 8, let's change it to base 10. And so this would be having base 10 in both numerator and denominator, and the 11 is going to be in the numerator and the 8 is in the denominator. So it's going to be log 11 base 10 divided by log 8 base 10. Now use the calculator to find the values of both logarithms in numerator and denominator. Log 11 divided by log 8, and then close the brackets, of course, press equal. We have a final answer of 1.1531, etc. But the question says that we need to provide an answer correct to three significant figures, and so the final answer of log 11 base 8 is equal to 1.15, and this is basically how you can find the value using the calculator and after changing the base using the rule that we have explained in the previous video.